And then there's the future. You got that wrong, didn't you? You didn't see this coming. I don't think many people did. You see, that's the problem with the future. It's a shockingly poor guess, usually. I'm 56. I've not often been right. I don't know about you. But our future predictions are more often wrong than right. And that presents a challenge, because often when, the present moment doesn't meet our expectations, then we can run into all sorts of problems. But anyway, that can be very stressful. The future has a purpose. You need to plan, maybe. You might need to imagine what the future might look like. If you're building a bridge, for example, then you might need to imagine what that bridge looks like, and then do the drawings, and then before that bridge could become reality, an idea is conceived, it's imagined, and then we bring it into existence. But the actual building of that bridge happens now. The conceiving of that bridge happens now. The only control we really have over the future is the quality of attention we bring to now. Everything comes back to now. So future has a purpose, but we've got to be careful, because if we get too lost in where we're going, we're taking our eye off the ball. And actually, the present moment is the key to the future, isn't it? If your attention is fully in the moment, then the future takes care of itself. Oh, hang on a minute. This is interesting. Have you realised that the present moment is the only place that you have any power? You've got no power to control the future. You can't change the past. It's gone. It's too late. The only power you have to control the future, the only power you have to influence the future, is the quality of your attention in this present moment. That's what determines your future. And we have this saying in mindfulness: the outcome is not your concern. The quality of your doing is the concern. The quality of the work you do, the quality of your attention to this present moment is your concern. And if your full focus is on that, rather than what you're going to have to do and the next thing and the next thing and the next thing and the next thing, then you do it with a well, you do it with a care, you do it with a creativity, you do it with a freshness, you do it with an intelligence, which kind of, what else can you do? It's the only thing you can do. The most powerful thing that you can do. So be careful, because when we're chasing the future, we can take our eye off the ball.